The night sky, a tapestry of stars, stretches infinitely above us, each point of light a distant sun, a potential cradle for life. It whispers tales of distant worlds, of planets orbiting in the cold expanse, untouched by human hands. What if, among those twinkling lights, lies a universe devoid of human presence, a cosmos where our existence is but a fleeting thought, a mere whisper in the grand symphony of creation, a universe untouched by our ambitions, our triumphs, our failures? Imagine planets where no human foot has ever trodden, landscapes that have never echoed with the sound of our voices. Imagine a reality where the symphony of existence plays on without us, where the stars continue to burn, the planets continue to orbit, and the galaxies continue to spiral, all in a silent, unobserved dance. Could such a place exist, a silent stage where the drama of life unfolds without an audience? A cosmic theatre where the actors perform without applause, without recognition? The possibility, however remote, sends a shiver down the spine. It challenges our perception of significance, our need to be seen, to be acknowledged. To envision a human-free universe is to confront our own cosmic insignificance. It is to see Earth as a tiny, fragile speck in the vast, indifferent expanse of space, and to grapple with the profound implications of our absence. What does it mean for life, for consciousness to exist without us? Are we merely a fleeting anomaly in the grand tapestry of the cosmos? It is to embark on a journey into the heart of existence itself, to question our place in the universe and to ponder the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. Our understanding of the universe hints at the potential for realms beyond our own. The multiverse theory, a topic of much debate among physicists, suggests that our universe may be just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Each bubble, a separate universe with its own set of physical laws and constants, exists independently of the others. Imagine a universe where gravity is a weaker force, where stars burn blue and die young, scattering the cosmos with exotic elements, or a universe where time flows differently, where the past, present, and future are intertwined in a dizzying dance. The possibilities are as limitless as the cosmos themselves. String theory, another contender in our quest to understand the universe, proposes that everything around us is made up of tiny, vibrating strings. These strings are not just theoretical constructs, they are hypothesized to be the very essence of all matter and energy. Imagine a world where the fundamental particles we know, like electrons and quarks, are not point-like dots, but rather tiny loops of vibrating energy. This revolutionary idea could bridge the gap between the physics of the very large, governed by general relativity, and the physics of the very small, dictated by quantum mechanics. These strings, far smaller than anything our most powerful microscopes can detect, are the fundamental building blocks of reality. They vibrate at different frequencies, and these vibrations determine the properties of the particles they form. Just as a violin string can produce different musical notes depending on how it is played, these cosmic strings can create different particles based on their vibrational patterns. This concept opens up a new way of thinking about the universe, where everything is interconnected through these tiny vibrating strings. Just as different vibrations of a guitar string produce different notes, different vibrations of these cosmic strings give rise to the particles and forces that govern our universe. This means that the diversity of particles we observe, from photons to protons, is a result of the different ways these strings can vibrate. It's a symphony of the cosmos where each particle is a note in the grand composition of reality. But here's where things get interesting. String theory doesn't just stop at explaining particles and forces. It also suggests that our universe might be much more complex than we ever imagined. The theory posits the existence of multiple dimensions beyond the familiar 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time. These extra dimensions could be the key to unlocking some of the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. String theory suggests that there could be many more dimensions than the 3 spatial dimensions and 1 time dimension we experience. These additional dimensions are not something we can easily perceive, as they are thought to be compactified or curled up in such a way that they are hidden from our everyday experience. However, their existence could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. These extra dimensions, curled up and hidden from view, could hold the key to the existence of other universes. If these dimensions do exist, they could provide a framework for understanding phenomena that currently elude explanation, such as the nature of dark matter and dark energy. They might even suggest the presence of parallel universes, each with its own unique properties and laws of physics. The possibilities are as vast as the imagination, making string theory one of the most exciting and intriguing areas of modern physics. The absence of humans in a universe would profoundly impact its trajectory. Think of the Earth, shaped over billions of years by geological processes and biological evolution. The rise of humans, with our cities, industries, and technologies, has left an indelible mark on the planet. Now imagine a universe where those human influences never existed. Would continents still drift across the face of planets, driven by tectonic plates? Would volcanoes erupt, spewing molten rock and ash into the atmosphere, without humans to name them? Would these forces even matter? Section 5, Silent Symphony, a landscape devoid of humanity. In a human-free universe, landscapes would be sculpted solely by the forces of nature. Mountains carved by wind and rain would pierce the sky. Oceans, vast and unexplored, would teem with life unseen by human eyes. Forests, ancient and sprawling, would stretch as far as the eye could see, but there would be a profound silence. No human voices would echo through the canyons. No cities would illuminate the night sky. The only sounds would be the whisper of the wind, the crash of waves, and the calls of unknown creatures. Section 6, Life Finds a Way. Imagining alien biology. The absence of humans does not preclude the existence of life. In fact, it opens up a universe of possibilities. Without humans to compete with or endanger them, life could take on forms more diverse and extraordinary than we can imagine. On a planet bathed in the light of a red dwarf star, plants might evolve black leaves to absorb more energy. In the crushing depths of a gas giant's atmosphere, creatures could develop buoyancy sacs, navigating the turbulent skies like living zeppelins. Evolution, the ultimate tinkerer, would be free to experiment without limits. Section 7. The Echo of Absence. How humans shape reality. The absence of humans in a universe would be more than just a physical void. It would be an absence of consciousness, of curiosity, of the very act of observation. Quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that governs the subatomic world, suggests that the act of observation can influence the outcome of an event. This raises a profound question. If no one is there to observe the universe, does it truly exist in the same way? Would a universe without humans be a universe devoid of meaning, a cosmic stage with no audience to appreciate the grand performance? Section 8. The unanswered question, are we alone? The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most profound endeavors of humankind. We yearn to know if we are alone in the cosmos, if other intelligent beings gaze up at the night sky and ponder their place in the universe. But what if the answer to this question is more complex than we ever imagined? What if there are countless universes teeming with life, but none of them contain humans? Would that make our own existence even more precious, a rare flicker of consciousness in an otherwise indifferent cosmos? Section 9. A Universe of Possibilities. The concept of a human-free universe is a humbling one. It forces us to confront the vastness of existence and the fragility of our own place within it. Imagine a universe where humanity never existed, where the stars and planets have their own stories to tell, independent of our presence. It forces us to confront the vastness of existence and the fragility of our own place within it. The sheer scale of the cosmos, with its billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, is almost beyond comprehension. Yet it is this very enormity that makes our existence so precious. It challenges us to imagine worlds beyond our wildest dreams, worlds governed by different rules and inhabited by creatures beyond our comprehension. These alien landscapes, with their unusual terrains and exotic features, spark our curiosity and drive our quest for knowledge. Worlds governed by different rules where the laws of physics might be different and the possibilities are endless. These planets, with their rings and vibrant colors, remind us that the universe is a place of infinite diversity and wonder, and inhabited by creatures beyond our comprehension. From bioluminescent organisms that light up the dark to strange alien creatures in their natural habitats, the potential for discovery is boundless. Most importantly, It reminds us that the universe is full of possibilities, and that our own existence, while fleeting, is no less miraculous for it. Each star, each planet, each galaxy is a testament to the boundless creativity of the cosmos, and that our own existence, while fleeting, is no less miraculous for it. The time-lapse of stars moving across the sky and the sight of a planet rising over the horizon serve as poignant reminders of the beauty and transience of life. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its mysteries, we must remember that the greatest discovery of all may be the realization that we are just one small part of something far grander than ourselves. The observatories and spacecraft are our tools in this grand adventure, helping us to peer deeper into the unknown. We must remember that the greatest discovery of all may be the realization that we are just one small part of something far grander than ourselves. The view of Earth from space, juxtaposed with the distant galaxies, puts our place in the universe into perspective, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all things.